Boker Tov, good morning. Continue with a 3-minute daily dose of Torah. This past Shabbat, we recited Birchat HaChodesh, announced the upcoming new month, which will take place this Tuesday and Wednesday, namely the month of Adar Rishon. That's what was announced. And I want to take a little bit of time with you to understand exactly what is Adar Rishon and what is Adar Sheni, the first Adar and the second Adar. What is this about? So you are perhaps familiar with the fact that the Jewish calendar cycle is a complex of a lunar and solar calendar. Namely, we function primarily with a lunar calendar. Every Rosh Chodesh is the new moon. But in contrast to, let's say, the Muslims who work with a stricter lunar calendar, so that Ramadan will find itself in moving earlier and earlier and backward through the solar year from one year to the next. And you can have Ramadan in the winter, and then Ramadan in the fall, and then Ramadan in the summer. That's how it works. We are always balancing off that lunar calendar with the solar calendar. Namely, that there is a requirement that Pesach be B'chodesh Ha'aviv, in the month of spring. And so we're always going to be adjusting to help ensure that Pesach is going to happen when it needs to happen. And the way to do that, since there are, there is 11 days or so difference between a lunar year and a solar year, we're going to need to bolster the lunar year every few years. And to be more specific, what's referred to, our Jewish luni-solar calendar follows what's called a metonic cycle. A metonic cycle where years 3, 6, 8, 11, 14, 17, and 19 are leap years. So we know when we speak about a leap year in the Julian calendar, it means every few years we add an extra day in the month of February, and we've resolved and we need to resolve. But in order for us to keep Pesach in the springtime, we have to have all those years be leap years. We add an extra month. And when is the Ibor Shana supposed to happen? We're told it always happens at the end of the year. So if Rosh Chodesh, if Nisan is the first month of the year, the 12th month of the year is Adar, and that's when the act of Ibor Shana, of this adding an extra month, making a pregnant year, would take place. And that would happen by the act of a Beit Din. The Beit Din would make a decision to go ahead and do so. When they make their assessments and calculations, they would do it at that point in time. Tomorrow we'll continue with the implications, first step of implications. So we'll leave it to tomorrow to contemplate the Ibor Shana, the pregnant year indeed. Have a great day.